Rice. It's simple, it's versatile, and it's a staple food for billions around the world. From Asia to the Americas, this tiny grain occupies a prominent place at the dinner table. But have you ever stopped to think about how it gets there? The journey of rice from field to fork is a fascinating one, involving a delicate balance of tradition and technology. It's a story of farmers, millers, distributors, and cooks, all working together to bring this vital food to our plates. Join me as we explore this incredible journey, delving into the intricacies of rice production from the moment the seed is sown to the moment the cooked grain graces your plate. Our journey begins in the paddy fields, often flooded plots of land that provide the perfect environment for rice to flourish. The type of rice and the climate dictate the specific planting techniques. Some farmers sow seeds directly into the soil, while others cultivate seedlings in nurseries before transplanting them into the paddy. The flooded fields aren't just for show, they help control weeds and provide the necessary moisture for the rice plants. This controlled environment is essential for the early stages of the rice plant's life, ensuring a healthy start to its growth cycle. Once planted, the rice plant embarks on a period of rapid growth, fueled by the nutrient-rich water and ample sunlight. The plant develops a network of roots, anchoring it firmly in the muddy soil. As the plant matures, it shoots up slender stalks, culminating in the emergence of delicate flower heads. These flowers eventually give way to the rice grains we consume. The entire growth cycle, from seedling to harvest, can take anywhere from 3 to 6 months, depending on the variety of rice and the environmental conditions. Throughout this time, farmers carefully monitor the fields, adjusting water levels and managing pests and diseases to ensure a bountiful harvest. Section 4. Harvest time, gathering the grains. The arrival of harvest season is a time of great anticipation and activity in rice-producing regions. The once green paddy fields transform into a sea of golden hues as the rice plants reach their peak maturity. Traditional methods of harvesting, using sickles and scythes, are still practiced in some parts of the world. However, in many regions, mechanized harvesters have revolutionized the process. These mechanical marvels efficiently cut the rice stalks, separate the grains from the plant, and collect the harvested grains, significantly reducing the time and labor required. Section 5. From field to factory. Processing the rice. After harvesting, the rice grains, still encased in their protective husks, are transported to processing facilities. Here, the journey from paddy to plate continues with a series of crucial steps that transform the raw grains into the finished product we know and love. The first stage involves cleaning the rice, removing debris, stones, and other impurities that might have been collected during harvesting. Next, the husk, or outer layer, is removed through a process called husking, revealing the brown rice grain beneath. For white rice, an additional milling process removes the bran layer, leaving behind the polished white grain we're accustomed to seeing. The rice is then graded based on quality, with broken grains often separated for use in other products. Section 6. From factory to table, distribution and consumption. Finally, the processed and packaged rice makes its way to markets and grocery stores worldwide. An intricate distribution network ensures that this staple food reaches consumers across the globe. From simple boiled rice as a side dish to complex rice-based dishes that form the centerpiece of meals, rice's versatility shines through. It's a blank canvas for culinary creativity, readily absorbing flavors and complementing a wide range of ingredients. The next time you sit down to a meal featuring this humble grain, take a moment to appreciate the journey it's taken. It's a testament to human ingenuity, collaboration, and our enduring relationship with the natural world. From the farmers who cultivate it to the millers who process it and the cooks who transform it, countless hands play a role in bringing rice to our tables. So the next time you enjoy a plate of rice, savor every grain, knowing that it represents a global effort and a journey well traveled.